Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorial. Today we are going to cover the topic this keyword in Java. This keyword in Java is a reference variable that refer to the current object. So this is this is a keyword. This is itself a keyword which refer to the current object, which refer to the current object. Now, what are the usage of the Java this keyword? This can be used to refer current Java instance variable. This is referred to the current Java instance variable. This can be used to invoke the current class method. And this can be used to invoke current class constructor. It can be passed as an argument in a method call. And it this can be passed as an argument in the constructor call. And this can be used to return the current class instance from the method. So these are the uses of this keyword. Let's see this keyword with the help of an example. Suppose we have a student class. If we do not use this keyword, what will be the problem, and how to resolve that problem with the help of this keyword? Suppose we have a student class. I will create a student class. Student class. In this class, I have two fields. Suppose I have one is private int ID and another is private string name. So these are my two fields. And what I will do, I will create a constructor public student, and I will pass these int id string name, and what I will do, I will set these id and name in the name. As you can see that I have, with the help of this constructor, I have initialized the values. Now what I will do now, I will create the main class where I will create the object of this student class, then see the output. Main test class or main class. Let's keep this name, and I will create a static void main method inside this. Here what I will do, I will create the object of student. S1 is equal to new student, and here 100 another thing is another. So this is my student one. I'm sorry, and I have another student s2 is equal to new student, and I will pass another value 1001 and suppose xyz. So I have created the two objects of the student class. So let's see what I will do now. Inside the student class, I will create a method, public void display, which will display the values of these two. System dot system dot out dot println, and here I will pass this id and name. So I have displayed this id and name with the help of this display method, and inside this main class I will call s1 dot display, s1 dot display, s2 dot display. What will happen? Let's see what is the output. Will it able to display this value or not? As per me, it should not. Yes, as you can see that here the values are 0 and null. It will display the value 0 and 0 and null. What is the problem here? The problem is it is unable to identify that which here the which object it should display id and name, because id and name it is not able to distinguish between the two objects. So here what is the solution to this problem? As we have these null, 0 and default values in the display, the solution to this problem is with the help of this keyword. So this keyword, this dot id, this dot name, it refer to the current reference of the class. And if you will see the output here, you can see that output is 100 and 1001 and xyz. So this is the solution to this problem. With the help of this keyword, it refers to the instance of the current object, or it refers to the current object. So thank you for